Over a year ago, the new NAIA Infracorp, or NNIC, took on the responsibility of rehabilitating and managing our primary gateway. The goal was clear: transform the Manila International Airport into an airport that works always with the passengers in mind. Hindi lamang ito usapin tungkol sa infrastruktura. Ito ay usapin ng malasakit, ang pag-unawa sa pagod, pangamba at pananabik ng bawat Pilipino at bisitang dumadating dito sa ating bansa. It only shows that the Philippines can meet global standards while remaining grounded in genuine Filipino service. All these improvements, they benefit travelers, including families with children and the elderly. And of course, these changes were designed with our OFWs in mind. Kaya naman, ginagawa ng pamahalaan ang lahat upang maging mas malapit, mabilis at maasahan ang ating mga serbisyo para sa ating mga OFW. May these efforts inspire deeper collaboration among stakeholders, stronger institutions across all sectors, and developments that place people at the center of governance.
Much better yung may ganito ngayon kasi for convenience ng mga tao. Much better yung may ganito kasi nung nakaraang uwi ko kasi puro manual. So yung puro mga lang sila sa tao talaga magpa-process. Pag may ganito, dire-diretso lang yung labas ng tao kaya mas okay. Hindi nata-traffic sa loob yung tao. So thankful kasi may pagbabago kahit paano. Hindi nai-stuck yung dati na ganun pa din. Modernize. Tsaka malaking tulong sa tao yung mga ganitong klaseng upgrades.